Heng Shui W&B Import and Export Company Limited is a professional medical equipment manufacturer in Heng Shui, China. Our factory is located in Heng Shui City, which is very close to Tianjin Port. We produce hospital furniture, retirement furniture, rehabilitation equipment, and other products. And our multifunctional hospital beds, wheelchairs, and nursing beds are exported all over the world. All our products must meet CE standard. We are committed to making patients healthier. We have strict quality system standards. Our testing system mainly includes 4 aspects: incoming inspection, production process inspection, finished product quality inspection, and pre-delivery inspection. The inspection of each link improves the yield and qualified rate. We have a professional research and development team. Experienced technicians continue to introduce new styles. When receiving custom styles, can quickly draw detailed design drawings, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantages, attracting customers from all over the world. Our products are exported to Turkey, Poland, the United States, South Africa, Pakistan, Algeria, Vietnam, Russia, Ukraine, Qatar, and other 40 countries and regions. We have a complete after-sales service system, 1-year product warranty, 5 years maintenance, and 10 years spare parts supply. In addition, we provide you with a full range of after-sales service from purchase to use. If there is a problem, we will reply within 24 hours and propose a solution within 48 hours. Your satisfaction is our best purpose.